Are you looking for the best cheap printer? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Canon PIXMA TR4520. The Canon PIXMA TR4520 is a versatile inkjet printer that combines convenience and functionality. With its wireless connectivity and the Canon Print app, you can effortlessly set up and operate the printer directly from your smartphone or tablet. The inclusion of features like AirPrint, Mobria print service, auto power on/off, and a built-in ADF, automatic document feeder, enhances the user experience, making it user-friendly and efficient. The printer's connectivity technology includes USB, ensuring compatibility with various devices. It supports mobile operating systems such as iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, and Fire OS, Amazon Fire devices, providing a wide range of options for users. Additionally, the printer offers the convenience of saving 10% on ink reorders through dash replenishment. Once activated, the printer monitors ink levels and initiates smart reorders when supplies are running low, all without any subscription fees, offering a hassle-free printing experience. Number 2. HP DeskJet 3755. The HP DeskJet 3755 is a compact printer from the 3700 series that offers a range of convenient functions. Its main features include the ability to copy, scan, and wirelessly print. With AirPrint compatibility, it seamlessly integrates with Apple devices for easy printing. The printer is also instant ink ready, ensuring that you never run out of ink unexpectedly. The HP DeskJet 3755 operates at a maximum print speed of 19 pages per minute in black and white. Its form factor includes functions for printing, copying, and scanning. The connectivity options include USB and Wi-Fi, providing flexibility in how you connect and use the printer. Number 3. Xerox B210DNI. The Xerox B210DNI is a sleek and efficient black and white printer designed for compact performance. Weighing lightly and operating quietly, it's a convenient addition to any workspace. The printer comes with built-in Wi-Fi and an LED interface, ensuring easy connectivity and user-friendly control. One of its standout features is its impressive first page-out time, taking as little as 8.5 seconds to get your document printed. With a speedy print rate of up to 31 pages per minute and a monthly capacity of 4,000 pages, it's well suited for small to medium business environments or a home office with 1 to 5 users. Number 4. HP EnvyPhoto 7855. The HP EnvyPhoto 7855 is a versatile color photo printer that was launched in September 2017. This all-in-one printer is equipped with a range of features, including printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities. It stands out for its ability to produce borderless prints and support wireless printing, making it a convenient choice for users seeking flexibility. One notable feature is the inclusion of an SD card slot, providing an additional option for easy printing. The printer also comes with an auto document feeder, streamlining the process of scanning or copying multiple pages. Additionally, users can enjoy cost-effective photo prints, as the printer supports HP Instant Ink, a subscription service that allows for photo prints for less than 5 cents.